In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this synthetic unit from Temu.
With my twin, we be vibing. Classy bitch, but they know I be outside with it.
Hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels.
Head, shoulders, knees, toes, don't know these hoes. Face, lips, eyes, nose, camera, click, we pose, beat.
What's good, YouTube fam? I am 𝒔𝓁𝒶, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. Last video was a hit. You guys like that, so guess what? I'm gonna bring it right back, and I'm gonna give you another one, okay? Another unit. I got this wig from Temu. Temu. Yeah, I got it from Temu. I literally took it. Ooh, what? Here we go. Dropping stuff already. Ah, look at it. It's still in the net. Look at the color. She cute. And she bone straight. She cute. Let's go ahead and look at her. I don't know what color this is. I want to say it's copper, but anyway, so we got two combs right here in front. We have one in the back, and of course the adjustable straps and the lace. And you know, it's okay. It's all right. I mean, that's what it looks like. And the hair, it's just like a yaki. Wait. This is like the hair texture is more of a yaki, baby. She is smooth, and she do have layers in it. I do see that. Like, it's hard to tell this is synthetic. I'm very surprised. She's synthetic. She's synthetic. Wow, she's pretty. Look at it. I would plug, but y'all, it's really not enough room to even plug anything. So with that being said, I'm just gonna go with the flow. Pretty much see this part and see that I ain't really got much to plug. I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'm just gonna pop it on my head and do. Yeah. She's really smooth, and I can tell, like, right now she ain't gonna tangle like that. I mean, she'll tangle, y'all know synthetic units, they tangle, but this one right here, she's gonna do real good, and I just love it. And looking at it on my skin, I'm gonna be a baddie. Products that I'm going to be using today, I will put it in the description box, so you guys can pretty much just purchase the same things that I got. And also this unit will be in the description box as well. So y'all, let's get started, because yeah, I gotta adjust it. Y'all hear my husband? Let's be quiet real quick. And that's why I had to close the bathroom, because he's loud. Very. I did the adjustable straps. They're probably gonna be too tight. Wow. Ooh. I probably put it too tight. A whole new world. I feel like the Little Mermaid. I feel like the Little Mermaid under the sea. So this is something. Look at this. Look. I mean, you know it's a wig, and it looks like a wig. So my goal here today is to make this not look like a wig. I want to see what, I mean, I love the layers in it. Y'all see the layers in it? This is cute. Well, I'm finna try to see what I can do with this, because I don't think I can do a lot with this, y'all. We gonna see. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna cut the lace. I do have this unit on a little tight, like the elastic band, not elastic band, the adjustable band in the back. I do have it like a little tight, but it's needed, y'all. Let me go ahead and cut this. Yeah, it was tight. Yeah, I'm gonna leave a little lace out. I'm gonna do something. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this unit right here. This unit, I don't, girl, what am I cutting right now? A lot of work that needs to be done with this unit. It looks like a wig, and I hate that it looks like a wig. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this lace tint mousse. This stuff is the devil, because I don't know how to use it. But like I always say, if I'm using it wrong, don't tell me. Just do not tell me, okay? Thank you. I know it. And all I do is I pretty much just put it on the lace. Like that's the goal. The goal is to get the lace to be tinted. When it works, it works. When it don't work, it gets on my nerves. But today, baby, today she did good. Yeah, she did real good. So yeah. And like I said, the information on the products that I use will be in the description box, okay? Alright, so I tinted the lace, and it looks a little better. I'm gonna go ahead and put whatever I can on the side for baby hairs. I'm just gonna do something light. I don't want to do nothing too, you know, extreme or anything. Like, this hair is cute. I wish I could do something different with it. You know, halfway up, halfway down. This will be cute. I'm going to use this. I also got this from Temu as well. This is some good stuff. I love this stuff. And you only need just a little bit. It holds stuff down, in my opinion. I like it. It does good. I'm going to put my band on, so it could pretty much just lay down a little better than what it is. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut this, and I am just going to cut it in an angle like that. And I am going to use my got2b spray, and I'm going to just spray a little bit on there. Yeah. And I am not that, I'm like not the best at baby hairs. I be trying, but you know, you do what you can, okay? That's the rule of this game. You do what you can. And if you can't do it, try. You gotta keep trying. Alright, so I did lay this down just a little bit. And now I'm gonna go ahead and get this flat. I don't like that. So we are about to get this is cute. Go ahead and use the wax stick, and we are about to lay it down. I don't even know if this hair can take heat, to be honest, so we about to find out together, you know. And I'm gonna try to get this flat as I can on the top. Moment of truth. Here we go. Oh. Now it takes heat, y'all. Yeah, okay, we need to get this flat, cause baby, she is up there. She is up there. Alright, so I did one side, which is over here. This is the flat side, and this ain't been touched. So I feel personally it does pretty good. If you guys can pretty much see what it is, we are about to do this side, and I'm gonna come right back, okay? So I flattened it the best I could, and yeah, cut some layers in this, and yeah, it's already layers in it, and I'm just cutting more. I don't know, I just be wanting more. Okay, so the flat irons really ain't bumping it, so get what? I'm finna go on ahead and do it this way. I'm finna bump it. This is how I do my synthetic units. Like, whenever I want to bump them, like, you know, like right here, get my clips, and I put them on like that, and then I start spraying. Since it doesn't take heat like that, I'm gonna make it stay, you know. It's pretty much just spray, and I'm gonna let it air dry. I'm going to put my foundation in my part, and this is from Temu. If you watched the last video, you know exactly where I got it from. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the part. I gotta make it work, Lord. Let's make it work. Alright, so let me remove the clips. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I was looking for. I was wanting me. Alright. So I'm gonna go in my flat iron and I'm going to yeah. Oh, that's hot. Okay, and I am done. This unit is, I love this, like, the color, cute, A1, and yeah, overall, I don't think she could take heat like that, so hey, it is what it is. I made it do what it do. I did put some more layers in it. I don't know if you guys can really like tell with the layers and stuff, but they in there. They in there, girl. The lace, I would love to pluck. I would love to pluck this unit way more than what I've done. You know what I'm saying? But overall, it's cool. It's alright. She's a synthetic unit. Remember that, okay? Thank y'all so much for tuning in with another video. And I hope you guys enjoy. So like I said, if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. Until the next video, you guys. Bye.
Persian rugs, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we